Good morning. My name is T. Dastagiri. I am working as a BDM in Hyderabad Zone 2. At the outset, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity and identifying me as one of the prospective person for the role of NRI BDM. For the next few minutes, I will be discussing about our newly launched product, India First iLife Plan, its features and benefits. As you are aware, insurance plan is designed for long term, that is 10 to 15 years. So, with this objective in mind, our product India First High Life Plan is also designed to fulfill a long term goal of customer. India First High Life Plan is a unit linked contract when in premiums amount excluding premium allocation charges is invested into one or all three different fund options available. The only different in these three different options is exposed to equity market. The USB of our India First iLife plan is Dynamic Asset Allocation Fund, which is one of the three fund options offered to the customer. The fund is designed in such a way that the exposure to the equity market changes as per the market condition. Dynamic allocation fund will invest in equity and debt investment, and the asset allocation between equity and debt investment would be managed dynamically by our in-house investment team. Key features of India First iLife plan. First one, customers are given an option to choose the premium payment term depending on their future inflow of money. They can choose to invest either for 7 years under limited premium paying option or one time payment and single payment option. Second one, in case any unfortunate event to the life assured, the sum assured or the fund value, whichever is higher, is paid to the nominee. This will help the customer to lessen the financial burden on the family to pay any outstanding liabilities, or will help the family to lead a comfortable lifestyle as wished by the customer. Third one, partial withdrawal option. Customers are given an option to withdraw money partially anytime after completion of full 5 policy years. Customer money is not blocked with the company and can be withdrawn partially to fulfill any immediate requirements arising in the future. Fourth one is tax benefits. India First iLife plan is offered two types of tax benefits. One is Section 80C, which comes in at the time of premium paying, and second is 1010D at the time of partial withdrawals and maturity value. 5. Portability option. Under this option, you can transfer the policy benefits without any allocation charges fully to another plan anytime after completion of 5 policy years. The sum assured, that is insurance cover, can be chosen as per the minimum and maximum limit in per product. India First iLife plan have mainly 4 different types of charges. First is premium allocation charges, that is deducted as on when customer contributes the premium. Second, fund management charges, which is 1.35% per annum. Third, mortality charges depending upon sum assured, age of the customer. Fourth, policy administrative charges deducted annually. I am confident enough that our plan India First iLife plan is designed to meet customer requirements on a long term basis with an option to earn market linked returns. Thank you.